Welcome to one of my favorite condominium buildings in Winnipeg. It was built in 1912 and designed by local architect Hubert Edward Matthews. At the time, it cost just $100,000 to build. In 1991, it was designated a municipal heritage site by the city of Winnipeg, and today, you can own a piece of history in this building. This south entrance is like a portal stepping into another era, where we've got stained and beveled glass windows, marble stairs and wainscoting, and the most beautiful wood coffered ceiling with Art Nouveau panels. Once you're inside this unit, you're going to find that charm continues. We've got soaring ceilings and the most beautiful original wood trim that has never been painted, and that is a real treat. One of my favorite features is this office space. It's an incredible nook for you to get creative, do your work from home, whatever you want to do with this incredible space. As you head down this hallway leading to your bedroom and bathroom, it feels like you're stepping back in time. It's a very dramatic entrance. What's not stepping back in time is the electrical. It's also in this hallway, and all the knob and tube has been removed. We've got the bathroom with the most beautiful original tile that just feels so charming. And then once you get into your bedroom, it is absolutely flooded with light. One of my favorite rooms in this space. One of the unique features is that you actually have two entrances into your condo, one from the inside and this one from the outside. It makes it really easy to greet your guests or carry up your groceries. The location is absolutely incredible, being in Wolseley, across from Vimy Ridge Park, and you're just 250 meters away from Tallgrass Prairie, where you can pick up Winnipeg's best cinnamon buns. Get one when you come down to see this unit.